Hi, my name is Alan Hutchison. I'm a senior project engineer here at Snap-on, and I've been here about 10 years. Today I'm going to talk about the CJSMBHP blind hole puller set. Yeah, the blind hole puller set is used to access and remove bushings, bearings, sleeves, and inserts. In a typical application, a user or technician would be able to access a sleeve, an insert, or bushing, something of that nature from the rear, and be able to remove it with a hammer and a punch. But in some instances, that's not the case. So this tool helps us get access and be able to remove and service those pieces. The tool is actually pretty universal. You can use it in the automotive industry, ag industry, across the industrial landscape. Basically anything that has a bushing or bearings, so anything that has a rotating component, you could end up in a situation where you have a captured or blind bushing, bearing, sleeve, or insert. So I wouldn't say this is for a specific place, but more of a general tool to be able to service all of those industries. How does it work? Awesome. So I have a couple of things, a couple of tools I brought today, but the kit's pretty simple. The SM kit has both what we call our small and our medium blind hole pullers in it, and each of them consist of two components. First component is going to be the expander piece. This is a piece that has a hex on the back with a thread in the back side, and then this long spire on it. This piece gets inserted into what we call the collet. And each collet is engraved or stamped to show both its part number and origin, USA of course, as well as the size range. So this particular collet that I have in my hand would be for 7/16 to 1/2 inch bore. Simply, you take the expanding rod, insert it into the back of the collet, you turn the collet until you feel it bottom out, and now you're ready to insert this thing into your bushing or bearing. I'll use a couple of wrenches and I'll show you, but essentially what happens is we would continue, once this thing is in application, we would continue to turn this expander rod against the collet, and you could see the two fingers, the two tines on the end of the collet spread apart, they expand. And you continue to come all the way forward until you feel this expander stop against the back of this collet, or until it becomes tight because you've reached the outside of the inner bore of the piece, the bushing or bearing that you're trying to pull. At that point, we would use our CJ250 slide hammer, CJ250 series slide hammer, sorry, and we would thread that guy right into the back of the expander rod. And then use the jam nut to tighten against. And then at this point, you're ready to actuate your hammer blow. So with this expanded and gripping onto your bushing, bearing, or sleeve, all you have to do is take your slide hammer, keeping your hand behind the crossbar, and then this motion will apply that force to the inside of the component and be able to pull that thing right out of its assembly. Yeah, the CJSMBHP set has both our small and medium blind hole puller expanders and collets in it. The small set, the CJ41 series, has 3 collets as well as the corresponding expander rod. And then the medium set, or the CJ40 series set, that one has 6 collets and also an expanding rod that corresponds to those parts. In order to be able to utilize the blind hole puller set, one of the things that you'll need is a slide hammer. We offer this slide hammer that I have here on the table in front of me. This is a CJ250 series slide hammer, and it comes in the kit, which the part number is the CJ250 HMR FR. Safety-wise, anytime you're using a component that has a hammer, you should always be using safety glasses. You should definitely be, getting the proper PPE for the environment that you're in. The blind hole puller set is a really important set for a professional setting. I know that sometimes we've talked about applications such as like a pilot bearing on an engine, which a lot of people do things that are not professional solutions for that. They'll jam grease into that hole or do other things that basically don't lend themselves to a professional solution. And really, the reason to have this set is because this is the professional solution. This is how you remove and replace components in a way that shows the caliber of technician or caliber of repair person that you are. The blind hole pullers, this set that we're talking about today, is available through your Snap-on account manager.